second PizzaQue of the year. And Teresa came up with an easier way for people to make pizzas with the PizzaQue. A lot of people have problems with the bottom of the pizza burning. Maybe it's too quick. You know, it's if you're not used to the oven at 700, maybe you have a hard time. So she came up with a good idea. And I showed you in previous videos to use the parchment paper, and that's simple too. Just that way they're easy to go. She bought these things here. You put it on these. You put it in the PizzaQue for literally a minute or two, then you can slide it right off, and it helps you. Look, we got one right there. And I stretch these two out. Teresa's gonna fix it up, and I'm gonna put it in the PizzaQue. Quick and easy. See, we keep coming up with easier ways to use the PizzaQue. Love that pizza oven. Okay, it's going in the oven, Tad. More mozzarella you gonna put on it?
Yeah.
Guarda che bella, eh? Ah! Woo! I wish everybody has a pizza forno like this. Look how easy it goes right in. Canadian Tire. Luca, are you kidding me? It's beautiful outside.
I don't want no damn blind my tomato.
Yeah, okay. Teresa's trying out her new her pizza cutter.
I don't think it works.
With water? This stuff will wear. That's margarita.
Mommy makes nice looking pizzas.
Okay.